Dear electrical engineers, today we bring to you is WSF2048. It is N-channel TO252 package. This MOSFET, the VDS is 20 volt, ID is 40 ampere, and the RDS on is 6.2 million. It has a similar parameter to AOS AOD424 or Semiconductor FDD3706, POTENS PDD2612A, and other related motors. This MOSFET has a wide range of applications. It can be used in single-cell juice process, protective pans, electronic cigarettes, small household appliances, single-cell battery-powered products, and other fields. This MOSFET has the characteristics of small RDS and fast switching speed. It is very suitable for the application of driver circuits. By accurately controlling the switch on and off of the MOSFET, the speed of the brushless mode can be accurately adjusted, thereby achieving the speed control of the electric screwdriver.